Hi, people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And real quick, today we're going to be looking at a chord voicing, a 1-4-6-2 voicing. And most times you hear the likes of SMG use this particular voicing. Most times you use instead of the two now. When you say a 1-5, a 1-4-6-2 is do fa la and re, right? So on the key of C, you have 1-5 and 1-4-6-2. You have one, two. On the key of D, the key of G. You understand? So, also before we get into that, my beginner's course is out, and I'm going to be dropping the link of the course in the description. Please, if you haven't made purchase for this course, do it right now. It's on 50% discount, and the discount is going to be ending January. So make sure you get it now. Course is loaded. It's going to to fasten your journey, your musical journey, and gives you it contains all the basics of piano that you should know to enable your growth. So real quick, check that out. On the key of F, we'll be doing that. So what is your one? And what is your four? What is your six? What is your two? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So you have one. So it's like, right? So but now this is not how you're going to play it. Now let me break that down. So let me use a song. Let me use one popular Yoruba song. So yeah. So now, so you're supposed to resolve in, right? So those of us that know this, I don't know how to sing it, but you can um recognize this melody. So so now you're supposed to. I want to use the 1-4-6-2 voicing, so it's going to be like. So so you understand where the 1-4-6-2 voicing came. So instead of just remaining here, we want to extend voicings. Now we extend it to 1-4-6-2. So instead of 2-5-1, sorry, it's actually. So let me break it down. The melody is. So I used triads. Sorry. Yeah. So right. So now on my left hand I'm playing. Now this is a pattern of chord reharmonization, but we are not going into that now. I'm just going to break down this 1-4-6-2 voicing and how you can use it in different things. So first chord on your left hand is your dominant 7 on your 1. The next chord is it's more like a G minor. Yeah. So triads now. So or you can do because I'm going to my 2. So now you have first chord. So now this is your 4. So your 4 is going with your 1 year, 4 year. So right. So I'll do it again. Then the next chord, or you can still do, but I prefer doing this since it's your 6 now. 6 to your 5. Then your 2. So now let me just spell out the notes for those of us that might not be able to catch this fast. So first chord, F, C, E flat. On your left hand, on your right hand, you have B flat, D, and G. So then you have a melody. So you have, that's what you are doing. So first chord, second one, F major, which is C, F, and A. Third one, which is G minor. Same thing with this one, but a different inversion. So you have D, G, and B flat. So when you're coming back here, what you are doing, your 4 now, you can pair your 4 like this. So you have B flat, F, G, and A. On your left hand, you have C, F, and A. So the next chord. So this is your 6 now. You have you have D, you have A, then you have E and F all together. So you stack them like this. So you can see you stack them like this. Then on your left hand, you have your C in extended. So you just have your G here. So you have it like this. So next chord is your 2, G and D. You can add your F, G, D, F, or you can still play this one with your full hand. So you have G, D, then here you have F, B flat, C, and F. So let's do that again from the beginning. So you have, so let's go from the top now. You can do. Now, so instead of just going back to your 1 directly, like so this is taking the place in this song now. This is taking the place of a 2-5-1 voicing, which is, so it's now. And for those of us that have listened to the likes of SMG and the Elect, and you hear this voice in a lot, or Mastercraft. So now let's try this voicing in another song. My favorite song, one of my favorite worships. You are great, you do miracles so great. So you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. No one else like you. You can see I passed that to my 2. So you are great, you do miracles. Then you can. So I can still do. Let me break this down. So you are great. You do 7, 3, 6. Then instead of 2, 5, instead of 5, 1, 4, right? or which is also a 2-5-1 on the key of B flat, which 2-5-1. So this is a 5-1 from the key of F. So you are going to do 7-3-6. So your 5-1, this is replacing your 5-1. Now you can do same thing I did. So now you can even extend it. Or you can do, this is mastercraft. So there is no one else like you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. I added my 3 now in this same thing. There is no one else. You are great. You do miracles so great. So let's try this on another key. Let's try this on key of B flat now. You can see how the voice in it, so you can switch it into anyhow you want to switch it to. I always used to say this in my class, that I don't want to do lessons for you guys and then you just have to play it exactly the way I played it. Now that's where your creative part comes in, that you can switch things. The same way I approach this on the key of F now is different from my approach on the key of B flat. Same theory. So thank you all for staying to the end of this video. Please also, like I said, if you haven't purchased my beginners course, do so. Discount is ending in the month of January. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Make sure you share. Make sure you drop a comment if this video has been of great help to you. Thank you guys. God bless you. Cheers.